Krabi, Thailand, is a beautiful destination known for its stunning landscapes, limestone cliffs, and crystal clear waters. Here are some popular attractions you should consider visiting in Krabi. Railay Beach, accessible only by boat. Railay Beach is a breathtakingly picturesque beach surrounded by towering cliffs. It's a popular spot for rock climbing and offers opportunities for snorkeling, kayaking, and relaxing on the pristine sand. Ao Nong is a lively beach town in Krabi, serving as a base for exploring the region. It offers a range of water activities, including island hopping tours, scuba diving, and snorkeling trips. The town itself has a vibrant nightlife with numerous restaurants, bars, and shops. Phi Phi Islands, a short boat ride from Krabi. The Phi Phi Islands are renowned for their turquoise waters, vibrant coral reefs, and stunning beaches. Maya Bay, made famous by the movie The Beach, is located here. You can enjoy snorkeling, diving, or simply relax on the idyllic beaches. Krabi Town. Take some time to explore the laid-back Krabi Town, which offers a glimpse into local life. Visit the Krabi Night Market, sample delicious Thai street food, and explore the Riverside Walk. You can also visit the Wat Tham Sua Tiger Cave Temple, known for its panoramic views of the area. 4 Islands Tour. Embark on a 4 Islands tour, which typically includes visits to the 4 most popular islands in Krabi: Phra Nang Cave Beach, Chicken Island, Tup Island, and Poda Island. You can swim, snorkel, and relax on the pristine beaches of each island. Hong Islands, located in the Krabi Marine National Park. The Hong Islands feature breathtaking limestone karsts and emerald green waters. Explore the hidden lagoon surrounded by towering cliffs. Go snorkeling in the coral-rich areas, or simply enjoy the natural beauty of the islands. Emerald Pool and Hot Springs. If you're looking for a more tranquil experience, visit the Emerald Pool Sa Morakat and Hot Springs in the nearby Khao Phra Bang Krom Nature Reserve. Soak in the warm mineral-rich waters of the hot springs, and take a refreshing dip in the crystal-clear Emerald Pool. These are just a few of the many attractions Krabi has to offer. Remember to check local conditions, tour availability, and any travel advisories before planning your visit. Thank you.